Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to add a filter to Google Sheets. And in this video, I will be adding a filter to column C and sorting and filtering by just location of USA. So let's go ahead and get started. So I recommend you select all the columns and not just the one column you want to add a filter to. I recommend putting a filter on every column you have. So select the columns that you want to have the filter on, and then go to Data, and then scroll down to Create a Filter. Go ahead and select that, and now all of my columns have a filter option, as you can see here by these drop-down menus. So then I'm going to go back to Location, and I'm going to filter by just USA. So I'm going to hit this drop-down box, and then I'm going to Clear. So what this does is it unchecks all the options, and then I'm only going to click USA, so it's going to check just USA. And when I press OK, it's going to show just USA location. I can go back in here and I can select Canada as well, so I'm only showing Canadians and USA results, and as you can see here, USA, Canada. And this is how you create a filter in Google Sheets. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.